Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit a Facebook page roles. You want to change your admin or you want to change who you give access to on your page. So let's dive into our Facebook. Open your Facebook here now. So this is my page Facebook. Sorry, let me go back to my Facebook here. This is it. This is a Facebook here now. Open your Facebook here now. Say you have to change this provide to the page. You change this to the provide you wanted to have. You want to edit the page view there. So this is it now. This is the profile here now. So once you click on this menu button, your settings menu button, and you scroll down here to page setup. So you click on the page setup, and this is it. And this is it. Just click on your page access, and this is it. This is the person, all the people that you give access to on your page will be listed here. So you would give access to this person to have access to your page. So if you wanted to delete the person now, just click on this three menu button and remove from page. And this is it automatically. Once you input your password, you'll be automatically remove the person from getting access to your page. So it is very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.